Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I predicted that Bitcoin would break out of its range sometime between Sunday and early Monday. That forecast played out exactly as expected. I also anticipated a potential sweep of the red 107K long liquidation leverage box, which was freshly built by traders opening 100x leverage longs during the sideways action. But price never came close to that zone. Instead, late Sunday evening, Bitcoin decisively broke through the upper resistance at 108.9K. After the breakout, price quickly tested the next resistance line at 109.3K, where it briefly got rejected. But after a clean retest, it ripped straight through and is now consolidating above that same yellow horizontal line. This current consolidation above 109.3K is critical. It shows that price is establishing new support for the next leg higher. Looking at the wave trend indicator, we just printed a green dot on all medium to higher timeframes. That's a strong bullish confirmation signal. Now let's open the 3-day liquidation heat map. The lower level around 107K, which I mentioned yesterday, was never swept. Instead, starting Sunday evening, the upper cluster from 108.3K to 108.8K was cleared. Shortly after that, the even bigger zone from over-leveraged shorts between 109.1K and 109.9K began to get eaten. Currently, only the upper part from 109,750 to 109.9K remains untouched. Let's zoom out and switch to the 1-week heat map to get a better perspective of where the market may head next. From 110.6K to 112K sits the hottest pocket of short liquidation leverage, which also includes the previous all-time high from May 2022. That zone is now well within reach. While there is still some long leverage heat below us around 107.1K, I do not expect that to get tapped unless we see unexpected volatility. Instead, my view remains firm. This week we are likely to test those upper boundaries. July is shaping up to be the bullish month we anticipated weeks ago. In other news, Elon Musk publicly endorsed Bitcoin again. In a direct reply, he stated, "Fiat is hopeless, so yes," when asked whether his party would embrace Bitcoin. That statement alone could help drive fresh retail interest. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.